Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you some really cool equipment, and this belongs to Tony from Texas. And so basically this is the initial checkout of this equipment. Now he has another telephone in the shop that came in with this equipment, and it is a Majesty telephone, one of the brass Majesty telephones, and they sent the upper half, so we'll be doing a video on that shortly and the repair of it. And here we have a Western Electric 202 with the E1 handset, so that's a really cool telephone, and we're going to get a still picture of the dial center ring, the card. And that's a very cool center ring. And so basically the bell box here, this is the bottom of it, that needs to be put back together again. So we're just going to kind of go through a little bit of what's going on here. That needs to be reinstalled. Now I've talked to Tony, and he said that he was good with the cords that were on these units, and that we're just going to be putting this telephone back into working order because this line cord has the modular plug that is broke. So we'll just take that off and replace the modular plug because he's good with his line cords. And we need to repair the bell and get that back into working condition. And then we want to go through the rotary here of the telephone. We also want to check the handset and go through the cord and everything. Now I have the telephone apart, so we're going to kind of look and see what has been done here with this telephone. I want to give you a look at the handset. Very cool E1 handset. Very nice. And the telephone's in very good condition, but I want to show you the inside of this telephone. And somebody has somewhat converted this telephone, and there's a network in here, and then all kinds of wiring things going on. So we're probably going to have to just go through this whole phone and see what we find. That gives you a look at the inside of the telephone, and we're going to take a short break from the video. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this telephone and bell box. So we're going to kind of run through a little bit about what went on. We went ahead and went into the bell box and made sure that everything was okay and adjusted the bells. And we also reinstalled and repaired the bottom of the bell box. It was loose and totally off of the bell box, as you've seen earlier in the video. Another issue was inside the 202. We went ahead and secured our network and made sure that it was wrapped up so it could not short on anything on the inside of this telephone. And we also checked all of our connections, repaired some of them, and went through the rotary and made sure that that was oiled, cleaned, and adjusted, and that the numbers were racking off properly. We went through the connections on the receiver and transmitter, and we wanted to make sure everything was proper there. And on the line cord, we reinstalled another modular port plug. So we're going to go ahead and do our final checks now, and we want to ring the unit, so let's go ahead and ring it. I'm going to let that go a few times. We'll go ahead and answer the telephone using dial tone. Now we want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. now I want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch this red light on the analyzer, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. So we know that this telephone is ringing, it's got receive, transmit, and that it's dialing out. We're going to go ahead and move over to a regular line, and we'll call it time and temp. Now, this is the original receiver and transmitter in this telephone, and so, you know, that was cool that that worked out. This is an E1 handset, and they're very sought after, and so are the 202s and any bell box at that matter. So we'll go ahead and push this button on the switch box, and that will take the analyzer totally out of the situation and give us a line out. So we'll call it time and temp now. I want to give you some dial tone.
Good evening. Shop online anytime at Offenburg.com. A short drive to great value. Today is Saturday, May 4th. The time is 6:04. Current temperature 59 degrees. Now the Belleville area weather forecast.
Cloudy with scattered showers today. Highs around 50. Cloudy tonight. Showers likely. Then showers likely after midnight. Lows in the 40s. Showers likely on Sunday. Highs in the upper 50s.
Okay. We can call one other number. We can call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. Okay, so we know that this telephone has been repaired. We can return it to Tony, and he can start enjoying this telephone and bell box. He's got a really cool setup here, and I'm sure they're going to enjoy this very much. Now, we have another telephone of Tony's in the shop, and we're going to be doing a video on that. It's a Majesty telephone, and it's all brass, and they only sent in the upper half. That's all I basically need. So we'll start on that here in a little bit. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.